Good morning, welcome to day 3 of the camping pod build. Now, we didn't manage to get it finished yesterday. It was very hot, to be honest, and there's a lot more to it than I originally thought, so we are going to have to soldier into day 4, unfortunately. Now, we've decided to have a change of scenery tonight. We're going to stay in Brighton near the beach, get ourselves some fish and chips, because if you watch my channel, you know we enjoy a bit of fish and chips and beach life. So I'm going to get the bed made up in there. We've got benches to go in there, a floor to go in here, got a window to go in here, and another window to go in there, and the door frame to go in. So enjoy the video, and make sure you're subscribed, turn your notifications on, so you can see the whole day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. While I get finished on the big camping pod, Ben's going to make a start on the little one. He did yesterday, started unwrapping it, and yeah, he's going to get it level because the base is really bad on that one, which is kind of why we left it till last. We should have probably done it first, but it is what it is. So he's going to get started there, I'm going to get finished there.
We break up and you slam the door. I messed up on the bedroom floor. What the hell do we do this for? I push you out but you come back. That attraction, we can't fight that. Oh, keep telling us.
As you can see, Ben's making some great progress over there. He's managed to get 3/4 of the shell done, which is nice, pleasant to see. So I've just left him to his own devices, let him do what he wants to do. Now, I've managed to get the bed in there, which is good news, so I can have it lay down if I need to. We've got the bench in there, which is going to have a pop-up leg so that you can sit down and have some food. I'm now going to put the floor in and start working my way out. Floor, door, windows, complete.
Sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love, we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love, we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love, we got that love.
God, might not actually be a sauna, but it feels like one. That is nearly complete. I've literally got to screw this down. Got a bench there, 2 legs, sand off a couple of pencil marks that I didn't remember wouldn't have been covered. And then this one is complete, and we've got to move on to finishing that one tomorrow. fingers crossed, everything goes well. It's going to be a lovely hot day again tomorrow. It's been pretty hot today. Pretty unbearable at times for Ben. I've been in the shade, bless him.
We don't talk about nothing no more. Nothing, nothing. We don't talk about nothing no more. Nothing, nothing. We don't talk about nothing no more. Nothing, nothing. We don't talk about nothing no more. Feels like I've been doing way too much, babe. Feels like I've been working through your stuff, babe. Over time, lately it's been getting kind of tough, babe. Feels like I. Say something, something, 'cause we don't talk about nothing no more.
And that's it, the end of day 3. If you are new and you've somehow stumbled across part 3 and not part 1 and part 2, make sure you subscribe, go for my video list, and you'll see how we built this from the very beginning. So again, that ends the day, which means we are off to the beach in Brighton. See you tomorrow.
Nothing, nothing. Do you not care about nothing no more? Feels like we're fighting. Do you even want it? Do you feel you need this? Do you even feel it? Fighting for a lost cause, or am I fighting for us? Just tell me, is it worth it all? Feels like I've been doing way too much, babe. Feels like I've been working through your stuff, babe. Over time, lately it's been getting kind of tough, babe. Feels like Feels like I've been doing way too much, babe. Feels like I've been working through your stuff, babe.
Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button if you like the video, because I enjoy making it and I hope you enjoy watching it. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.
Babe, over time.